Hi everybody, I'm Samantha Cusick and I'm here today at the GHD Studios in Soho to teach you how to create these sort of cool girl, beachy, super textured waves with a couple of different techniques using your Platinum Plus styler. Starting on these first sections, there's two techniques we're going to use underneath. In this section we're going to create our push wave, so you're just going to push the hair up to create a bend while your straighteners are in there and just clamp it over the top and use the straighteners to hold it as you push it more and you're creating those bends. And then when you drop it, you can see you've got that sort of soft, loose wave, like a bit more of a natural wave. Our second technique that we're going to do is, I don't really know the special, like if there's a proper name for this, but I just call it like a wiggle wave. And all we're going to do is put the straighteners in as if you're going to straighten your hair, but you're just going to rock up and down the hair to create a different texture. And then starting section by section, alternating techniques. Best thing about the Platinum Plus for doing these waves is it's got this wishbone hinge, so it means that the plates are always perfectly aligned, so it doesn't matter which bit of your hair you get through the plate, it's always going to get the same even temperature and be completely covered the same. So yeah, easy peasy. The hairline, we're just going to do our classic push down technique, which is just twist it round and push it down, just to create that sort of bit more glamour on the front. We're just going to leave that and move on and do exactly the same thing on the other side, and then I'll show you how to dress it out after that. And then our last little piece, we are just doing the traditional push down. There, cool. Right, we've left that a few minutes just so this side has cooled down so it doesn't feel warm to the touch anymore. It's kind of like set and it's done its thing, so we can dress it out without worrying about it going flat and all that effort being for nothing. So taking our wide tooth comb again, because when it comes to dressing out waves, this is literally my go-to. Start at the ends again and just work your way up, just building that texture. And then we're going to spritz through some dry texture spray, but lift it and spray it so you get the under layers more than just the top. Cool. Yeah, so that's just that really sort of like cool girl, messy, beachy textured waves. So hopefully if you struggle with the classic techniques, then this one might be a little bit more for you. You don't have to be so neat, so much easier.